welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Volkswagen key. Today you're going to need a CR2032 battery. Okay, let's get straight into it. This particular flip key is a 3-button key, as you can see. Some are 2-button, this is a 3-button. Changing the battery, exactly the same. As you can see, we've got a little small gap here because I have pulled it apart very slightly to make it easier for the video. But to pull it apart, put your thumbs in here either side, your fingers here, and then just slowly pull that out. We don't need the base of the key for now, so we'll put that to one side. To separate the remote, we'll put with 2 thumbs in here, with 2 fingers at the bottom. Slowly pull that apart. Okay, we don't need that part of the remote. That's revealed the battery. The battery is in positive side down, negative side up. So if we go in, make sure you go in, there's a little void here, just a small screwdriver, and we just flick that up there. Don't go in around the terminals because you may bend them. And we'll release that out. We'll put the battery to one side, and as you can see in there, there's a positive symbol. That's indicating that the battery goes in positive side down. Okay, we've got a new battery here that I've taken out of the packet already. Again, that's your positive side, the flat side. The negative side is like domed. So we're going in positive side first. Careful when you put it back in, you don't bend any of the little terminals. Just slowly slide it in and clip, that goes in. Pick up the other half of the remote, line everything up nicely. Once you're happy it's all lined up, 2 thumbs, 2 fingers on the back, that clips together nice and easily. Pick up the base of your key, slide that back in, click, that's all back together. Now to test the remote, press any of these buttons and you'll see we get a little red light. So that's indicating that's all good to go. If you don't get the red light, you may have a problem with your remote. But as for changing your battery, you should get the little red light and you should be good to go. So that's today's video of the changing the battery in the Volkswagen key. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.